Experian Credit Score Tool Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of the Experian Credit Score Tool, a trusted platform for monitoring and improving your credit health. Links to this product are provided in the description below, so feel free to explore those for more details. In this video, I'll walk you through its features, discuss who can benefit the most, and highlight why Experian is a leading name in credit management. The Experian Credit Score Tool is designed to give users instant access to their FICO credit score and detailed credit reports. Its intuitive dashboard provides a clear overview of your credit profile, breaking down factors such as payment history, credit utilization, and account age. Updates are provided frequently, so you're always aware of where you stand financially. One standout feature is the integrated Experian Boost service. This tool allows you to include on-time payments for utilities, phone bills, and streaming services into your credit history, potentially increasing your score immediately. It's a game changer for individuals looking to improve their credit fast, especially those with limited credit histories. The platform also excels in credit monitoring, offering real-time alerts for any changes, such as new accounts, hard inquiries, or potential fraud. This makes it an excellent choice for protecting against identity theft. Additionally, Experian offers tools like a debt payoff calculator and a credit score simulator, helping users plan their financial decisions effectively. Experian's credit score tool is perfect for anyone looking to manage their credit proactively. Whether you're aiming to qualify for a loan, secure lower interest rates, or simply maintain strong financial health, this tool has you covered. It's especially beneficial for users new to credit building or those who want added layers of identity protection. In conclusion, the Experian Credit Score Tool combines powerful features, real-time monitoring, and actionable insights to empower users in managing their credit. Its unique offerings, like Experian Boost, set it apart as a valuable resource for anyone serious about improving their financial future. Check the links in the description to get started and take control of your credit with Experian today.